How to fix OBS Virtual Camera not showing up. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can fix if you are not able to find the OBS Virtual Camera or if it's not opening. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to restart your device if you have such kind of error. Sometimes a simple restart can help solve your problem. So restart your device. After you restart, open up your OBS Studio and then check for the virtual camera and check if your issue still persists or not. If that does not help you, now the second option is to open up OBS Studio in your device. After that, you have to delete all of your virtual camera that you have created in your OBS Studio. After that, once you delete, now you have to create one in this following step. So click on plus from here. Here go to video capture device. So you can name your video capture device, then click on OK. After that, you will have a settings tab where you have to arrange some settings for your video capture device, and after that check whether the virtual camera is now working in OBS Studio or not. And if this still does not help you, make sure that you update your OBS Studio in your device. And once you update your OBS Studio, that will help you fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.